I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must confirm you have admin credentials and the device IP before anything else. Once confirmed, open the Dahua Web GUI or Smart PSS client and log in. If you cannot log in, use the device's local console or a direct LAN connection to avoid remote firewall issues. Make sure firmware is not mid-update because changing credentials during an update can corrupt settings. Begin now by navigating to the System or User Management area. This is where password controls live. Once in User Management, locate the admin account and choose Change Password. You will be prompted for the current password. This verifies your authority. Next, enter a strong new password. Use at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols, then confirm it. Make sure to update any services or integrations that use the old credentials. If the GUI rejects the new password, check password policy settings and adjust accordingly. After submission, allow the device a moment to apply changes and do not close the browser immediately. You should immediately test the new password from the web GUI and any remote clients to confirm full access. Once verified, update saved credentials on NVRs, mobile apps, and management software to prevent lockouts. If you encounter access errors, try clearing browser cache, restarting the device, or using password recovery tools provided by Dahua. If recovery fails, a factory reset may be necessary. Do that only as a last resort because it erases configurations. Keep a secure record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.